Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Wise account verification for receiving affiliate payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Wise website or open the Wise app. Log into your Wise account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, find the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. In the settings menu, look for the account verifications section. Click on Verify Your Identity to start the verification process. You will be prompted to provide personal information, such as your full name and address. Make sure the information you enter matches the details on your official identification documents. Next, prepare the required documents for verification. Commonly accepted documents include a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. You may also need to provide proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. Take clear and high-quality photos of your documents. Ensure that all text and details are readable in the images you upload. Upload the images of your identification documents as instructed on the screen. Once you've submitted your documents, you will receive a confirmation that your request is being processed. Verification may take some time, so be patient during this period. Check your email for updates on the status of your verification. If further documents or information are needed, follow the instructions provided in the email. Once your account is verified, you will receive a notification confirming the successful verification. After verification, you can set up your payment methods to receive affiliate payments. Link your bank account or other payment options as preferred. Make sure to follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. Once everything is in place, you can start receiving affiliate payments through Wise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.